Look at here, enjoying God's beauty. Just look at this. Just take the time and just look at it real slow. Just look at the water shimmering. Look at the colors. Look at the lake looking like a mirror. I love this place, Paris Mountain. YouTube, take a look, enjoy, and calm yourself and relax off this beautiful view. Look at this water shimmering. Look at the beautiful colors on the leaves. It looked like a postcard. Get out and enjoy nature. You can't save the world, but you enjoy yourself. We're not only giving to people, we're giving to ourselves. And this is what I call a self-care day for me. Thank you for watching my video. Classy Bastards Catering, Nature's Bounty in its glory. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video.